If you're planning a bathroom remodel in Provo, there's one thing that needs to be part of the plan from day one: moisture. Bathrooms deal with more humidity than any other room in your house. Hot showers send steam into walls, ceilings, and tight spaces where it condenses and just sits there. Without the right materials and ventilation, that moisture breaks down drywall, warps wood framing, and gives mold a place to grow in as little as 48 hours. The fix starts with your materials. Cement backer board behind showers and tubs, waterproof membranes under tile, and moisture-resistant drywall on every other surface. These are small upgrades that make a huge difference. Then there's ventilation. Your exhaust fan needs to be sized for the room, ducted with rigid metal, and vented directly outside, not into the attic. That's one of the most common mistakes we see, and it leads to mold growth in places you can't even see. At Prime Restoration LLC, we handle both remodeling and restoration. That means we know what happens when moisture gets behind walls, because we've spent years fixing exactly that. If you're starting a bathroom remodel in Utah County, let's make sure moisture is part of the conversation before the first tile goes down.